Creating a project document in Microsoft Word involves outlining project details, schedules, and other essential information. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting up a project document. Open Microsoft Word. Launch Word. Start Microsoft Word and open a new blank document. Create a title page, title and subtitle. At the top of the document, add the title for your project. Include a subtitle with details such as the project name, your name, and the date. Add the table of contents. Insert TOC. Go to References, Table of Contents to insert the TOC. This will automatically update based on your headings. Define project objectives. Objective section. Add the headings such as project objectives and describe the goals and purpose of the project. Outline project scope. Scope details. Under a heading like Project Scope, detail the boundaries, deliverables, and key milestones. Develop a project schedule. Schedule. Include a timeline or Gantt chart. Use words, insert, table, or insert smart art for visual representations. Alternatively, embed a chart created in Excel. Include resources and budget. Resource list. Add sections for resources and budget. Detail the resources needed and estimated costs. Add project risks and management. Risk management. Describe potential risks and mitigation strategies in a section like Risk Management. Save and review. Save document. Click File, Save As to save your project document. Review and make adjustments as needed.